Hello everyone! Tuttle Publishing recently released anime and manga digital coloring guide, and this is my book review. At first I was not sure to get this, but I am happy I did. It covers a lot of things I kinda needed, like color combination between hair and eyes, even some color theory that we all love so much, and much more. The biggest reason I got it was because of the different emotion scenes. How to use colors to really show what emotional state the character is in, but I got much more. They give you a small introduction about color theory. I say small because if you want more about this, you should look at 3D Total Color and Light book. Just remember one thing, this is not a book on how to apply these colors, only how to combine them. If you subscribe to my newsletter, The Hoveling, you will get some behind the scenes, art tips, among others, to your email box, in case you like my stuff here on YouTube and want more. The only dislike I do have about this book is about the color theory. I just have a hard time reading and understanding it, too much info for my little brain, but they are trying to make it more simple and more fun. This book is not just for anime and manga artists. Anyone can make use of this book and great to have in your collection. And all the colors they use, you can find the color codes at the back of the book. My favorite chapter is about the hair and eyes combo. For each character and color, they explain why just this color fits the best on these certain characters. And if you are into creating your own characters, this will give you some inspiration for sure. It made me redesign my own characters. I will rate this book 5 out of 5 stars because it's just a handy book to have in your arsenal. Like I said, if you want to dive deeper into color and light theory, the book from 3D Total is the one to go with. And you can watch it next if you want. Until next video, happy drawing!